Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the Airbus A340-600 by JC Wings in the 1 to 200 configuration. This aircraft is in the Airbus house livery and it's an absolute favorite of mine. Here's the front of the box. Here's the backside packaging. Here you can see the side packaging, which is identical on both sides. The model is well encased in a firm styrofoam packaging. Here you have the aircraft model. Here you have the wooden stand that reads Airbus A340 along with the scale of the aircraft. Here we have the landing gear, one in the gear down configuration and the other in the in-flight configuration. The landing gear is magnetic and very well detailed. Here's the model outside the box. Let's have a closer look at all the details of this aircraft. Starting with the nose section of the aircraft, you have the cockpit windows, the radome, the Airbus typography, the pitot tubes, the L1 door, the Airbus logo, and some antennas at the top of the aircraft. Moving along, here we have the L2 door, the wing root and the landing lights, and a very well detailed left inboard engine. You can see the leading edge flaps and the outboard left engine, which is again very well detailed. Here you can see the left wingtip of the aircraft along with the navigation light. Here you have the anti-collision light along with some antennas, the L4 and the L5 door. Here you have the horizontal and the vertical stabilizer of the aircraft along with the A340 house livery tail logo. Moving along, here's the right side of the aircraft. Once again you have the cockpit windows, the nose, the pitot tubes, the R1 door, the Airbus logo, the static probes, the landing gear of the aircraft, the cargo compartment. Here are the antennas at the top of the aircraft. The midsection of the aircraft, you have the anti-collision lights, the overwing exit, the leading edge of the wing, and the two very well detailed engines. Here's a close-up shot of the right wingtip and the navigation light. Moving along, here's the aft section of the aircraft. We have the nice detailed passenger windows, the R4 door, the cargo compartment, the registration of the aircraft and the R5 door, along with the antennas at the top of the aircraft. Here's the right tail section of the aircraft. You can see the vertical stabilizer, the horizontal stabilizer, the tail livery and the APU exhaust. The Airbus A340-600 is powered by 4 Rolls-Royce Trent 500 engines. The engines on this model are very accurate and the fan blades spin. As you can see, I've placed the model on its stand. Let's have a closer look at the top view of the aircraft. Once again, we can see all the antennas on top of the aircraft along with the anti-collision light. The top view really gives a good glimpse of all the details on this wing, the leading edge, the wingtip, the trailing edge, the engine pylons and the engine shape altogether. Let's take a closer look at the underside of the aircraft. You have various access hatches, the nose gear doors, probes and sensors, antennas, static probes, more antennas, and the air conditioning inlets. This is my absolute favorite shot of the undercarriage of the aircraft. Great amount of detail. The engines, the registration of the aircraft, the leading and the trailing edge flaps, they all just look so well detailed. Here's the main landing gear of the aircraft with the gear doors closed. You have the hole for the stand, the trailing edge and the leading edge flaps on the other side, the engines and some antennas. Here you have some more ports and antennas on the underside of the aircraft, along with the horizontal stabilizer. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more unboxing videos and aviation content. Thank you for watching.